Welcome back to Passports. It's Tuesday Travel Tips, and I'm Marlene. I'll show you how to book 'em, buy 'em, explore 'em, try 'em, warnings and watch, and info to go. Today's travel tip is on masking tape. Have you ever been in a hotel and the curtains just don't quite shut all the way and then that streak of really super bright light is shining in? Yes, I have. Have you ever been on a cruise ship? This one's even bigger. And you have a panel of something creaking and creaking and making really loud noise. That happened to us once. Masking tape is your friend. You can tape the curtain shut. You can tape the panel on the wall. Don't use duct tape. Be careful what you use, because that will stick and leave a residue on the wall. You don't really want people to know that you're sticking things on the items in the hotel room or the cruise ship. You don't want to leave a residue on any of the areas you put it on. It's also great to cover the lights on the alarm clock, the annoying lights on the smoke detectors on the ceiling. It really is very handy. And if you don't want to bring a whole roll, just bring a little bit. Just roll it up. Have a little temporary roll. You can roll it over a cap of a pen. Pop it in your makeup bag, and you're all set. That's it. That's today's tip. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next Tuesday for another travel tip.